Dr. David Kulla here to talk about the LINX surgery. So a lot of you know about laparoscopic or fundoscopic, Nissen fundoscopic surgery for hiatal hernia. We're talking about the LINX surgery. So the LINX surgery is a little different. It's like a band of magnets, and that band of magnets is supposed to open and close, kind of act like your sphincter, the LES, the lower esophageal sphincter. This surgery, as you can imagine, is not that effective for people. And as the years go on, just like all the other surgeries, take a big guess. It fails after a while. So it has a high failure rate, just like the Nissen fundoscopic surgery and any other laparoscopic surgery they want to call it. Surgery is not the answer, folks. Please, please, please rethink this. There's a simple osteopathic manipulative technique that's got a 93% success rate. Why wouldn't you try that first? Try that first, then we could discuss surgery. Okay, so the LINX surgery does have a failure rate. It's got side effects to it, and that failure rate gets higher and higher as the years go on. Some people have it removed. It erodes for some people. So there are some issues with it, but the biggest issue is post-operative swallowing, difficulty swallowing, or dysphagia, right? And that's the most common side effect from it, and that's what causes people to get the surgery in the first place. So you get the surgery to fix something, and then that something gets worse. It's crazy. It's crazy what's going on. And none of them will tell you about the simple osteopathic or hiatal hernia maneuver, hiatal hernia technique. I've been doing it for 23 years. I did a video that went viral, and that's the only reason why I realized, holy cow, there are millions of people suffering from this condition. Why not show them how to do it themselves? It's that simple and safe. Hiatal hernia maneuver can be done with the Reflux Shield, okay? It's the only product that shows you how to do it yourself and how to pull the stomach down without surgery, so you can avoid the surgery, okay? So if you're considering LINX surgery or any kind of hiatal hernia surgery for your acid reflux, your Gerd, rethink that. Stop. Do some research. And if you're interested, I have 10 to 12 research articles that I put on my website, refluxshield.com. On the upper left-hand corner, you will see a tab, the science behind the Reflux Shield. And that goes into the technique to pull the herniated stomach down below the diaphragm. Thanks for tuning in. God bless you. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.